In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through some essential features in Intuit's QuickBooks Online. We'll cover the basics of accessing invoices, managing your receipts, and exporting important data. Whether you're a business owner balancing your books or an accountant looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will be incredibly valuable. First, to get started, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're logged in, we'll begin by directing you to the Invoices section. Now, look towards the main menu at the left of your screen. This is where you'll find the navigational links for various features. Click on the link labeled Invoices. This section provides you with a comprehensive overview of all your invoicing activities, whether you're creating new invoices, managing existing ones, or configuring recurring payments. It's all right here. Being able to access and manage your invoices in one centralized place allows you to stay organized and on top of your finances with ease. After reviewing your invoices, the next step is to direct your attention to the Receipts section. Click on Receipts from the list on the left. This will open up your receipt management area, which is an essential tool for tracking your expenses. In QuickBooks Online, receipts can be a lifesaver in maintaining an accurate account of your spending. Here you can upload, scan, and save all your business receipts digitally. This means no more fussing over piles of paper receipts come tax season, and you can take advantage of this feature to simplify your tracking of deductible expenses, which can be beneficial for both compliance and strategic planning. Once you've ensured that your receipts are correctly managed and stored, you'll need to know how to export this information easily. Still within the Receipts section, you will see an option to Export. Click on this to begin downloading your receipts data. Exporting allows you to create a backup of your records outside of QuickBooks, which is handy for sharing with team members or your accountant. Plus, having a copy saved to your preferred storage method adds an additional layer of security, ensuring you'll always have access to your critical financial data when needed. And there you have it. By following these 3 straightforward steps, you can confidently access, manage, and secure your vital financial documentation within QuickBooks Online. Mastering these features not only enhances your command over your business finances, but also saves you time and grants peace of mind. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.